Hey, there we go. I think.
Dylan, have you shot a red dot? Anything? Recording? Dylan, your butt is on camera. Hey!
Stop it.
Dylan! You messy stuff? Hey. Go on my hand. You can name one black one, Dylan can name one black one.
Alright, well, you need to move stuff over so I can see.
Look at it! Okay, I'm on the table. I'm trying to look at it!
Hey!
It's pretty.
Don't be so loud.
And mine is dark. Hey, look this. It's okay. Oh, is it okay if I sit to see that?
Don't push it. Daddy son said that.
Ta-da! I push
Dylan.
it. This one? Yeah, that's this one. Ta-da! His name is Bugs, that you call him Pissy Butt. Because he's pissy. I'm kidding. His baby. My baby. Princess. Princess Caitlin's done. Pick one of the black ones on.
If it's a girl, it's a princess, and if it's a boy, it's prince.
Done.
So we have names.
Or it's night.
Yeah.
I want this
Prince
one.
Knight,
Okay.
Night Prince.
So what are you going to name it?
My baby.
Hey, what are you going to name it? Mama, what are you going to name this baby? This one?
What do you?
want
This
to
one has
name?
2 dots on its nose.
That one's yours.
There's 2 dots on its
want
nose,
to name
and
Tess?
we didn't know what to name him. So
Where
you going?
Stash.
Stash? Stash? I like Stash. Stash is good.
Mama, what should my baby's name be?
I don't know.
And it has the one dot, dot like freckles, that freckles Galaxy does. So we were going to name this one Pluto and that one Neptune, but we changed our minds. Oh, the business. What? Diamonds. Hi. Hi, Stash.
Well, that one over there don't look too good.
The one? Which one?
Princess.
The one way over there.
Mine?
Princess.
This is mine.
Don't you dare step on Stash.
I'm smart.
My princess.
Don't die. It's fine, Mama. Don't you?
Oh, wait. Yo, my
DJ.
Hi.
What?
Hi,
I'm
Stash.
screaming at the cat. What?
What is that? She walked over its bucket.
No one else like it today. I tried to. Where's this? Where is my baby go?
Baby
Behind the chair.
apocalypse. It's a baby bunny apocalypse. Run, hi.
Die.
What should we name this one?
Dylan,
The baby's coming for me. The baby's coming for me.
Dylan, what do we name these?
I don't know.
Diamond.
No.
Diamond? Yeah, Diamond's cute.
Hi. Hi, Stash.
That's so. No recording me either.
Mommy, this baby's trying to bite me.
Okay.
We should name you. Mama, think of a name.
Star, where you going, baby?
Star's trying to bite me.
Princess, don't you do feel your brother.
What you doing?
Mama, what should we name Dylan's?
Oh, whatever he wants to name it.
Can't think of a name.
I have a name. You can name it Adventure.
Adventure.
How about Bosco?
Bosco?
Yeah, Bosco.
Bosco.
Hi, little Bosco.
So we have
Bosco.
Huh?
So we have Bosco Junior. Oh, look.
No.
So we have Bugs. Bugs. We have
Okay,
Bugs.
Pussy Butt.
Pussy Butt. We got Stove. And then Bosco. Hi. And then we got my little princess. And if it's a boy, it's Prince. And then I would have showed that one. Mama's baby. And
Thank you.
Stash. Which this is your baby. Which we named him Stash High because it has the 2 little dots on the nose.
Hey, will you climb me this car?
What? Come on. Oh, you just fell over, why don't you?